Man, look at that. What a way to start the morning. It's like 55 degrees out. And they freaking woke the hell up now, boys. God dang. They lit me up. I didn't know what was going on. I freaking bailed on the saw. They're going crazy. Had like a dozen of them all over me, trying to get up in my sleeve and shirt, freaking going crazy. Ah, man. Well, it took this long in the year to get stung, so I'd say that's pretty dang good. Man, look at all of them. Ah, how am I going to get my saw back? Yeah. Gotta think about this a minute.